we can, guys, let me show you. Guys, see how beautiful is it. I think we are in museum or mirror room. Guys, let us put some more beads and see the magic. Guys, you can see how beautiful it is looking. Guys, see, my god, it's damn beautiful. Guys, in today's video you understood how to make kaleidoscope. Guys, so don't forget to like, subscribe and share our videos. Guys, we'll meet in the next video. Our video will be within a days. We'll get the next video. Thank you. Guys, today we learned that how to make this kaleidoscope, and I'm literally thinking it's damn beautiful and interesting thing. You can even close this side and put some beads, and you can put one cardboard roll, and you can rotate it and see the magic. So guys, we learned that how to make kaleidoscope. Now we'll see what's the science behind kaleidoscope, because everything we are able to speak, that also has some reason, and that is science. Now guys, we'll see why is it making that multiple images. Guys, light bouncing off a shiny surface like mirror is called reflection. We all know this, guys. Okay, so as the ray entered this triangle, the reflection seems to go on forever as each mirror, the three mirror, reflects the image from the other. Like this is mirror 1, it's making image 1, it's reflecting it to mirror 2, it's making image 2, same thing it's doing this. Again this image 3 is going to image 1. Like this reflection is going on and it's making multiple images. When you rotate the triangle, the rays bouncing off the shiny surface creates